What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority, and for today we're going to put to the test 10 home gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what they're all about. I got these cups for snacks, I guess for kids or for sauce, and there's a double container. It comes with the lid and this thing, so obviously maybe ketchup here, I don't know, this kind of nice. And if it can hold the water, it really is a waterproof. Amazing. It could be 2 different sauces, or it could be always making a mess. It could be some Cheerios, and it will seal tight. But the reason why I want to show you guys, it is super tight, dry, thick, liquid. It sits really nice. Look at that. It's durable. How about automatic laser opener? I never seen anything like that. Takes 4 AA batteries, and all I have is AAA batteries. What do we do in case I run out, forgot to order some? This clips, opens up, and now it is a AA battery. Check this out. How cool is that? Now there is no need for aluminum foil life hacks or anything. There is a gadget for it. Make sure you put the batteries the right way. Oh, messed it up. Oh wow, that's so cool. Check this out. That is perfect. And you know what? Sometimes I get Pokemon cards in these envelopes. Oh, no. It is not powerful enough. So the only thing it will work with is envelopes like this. Let's do double stack it. See if it will work with the double envelope. Oh yeah, powerful enough for double. What about triple? Can we do triple envelope? So that way we know. Nice. So we can open 3 letters at the time, 2 letters one at a time, pull it out. Very cool gadget. This is why I pretty much never run out of batteries. Once in a while it happens. Check this out, the storage battery. I think I'll just put this with these batteries just in case I need to have it. Here's a multi-layer rugs for kitchen. Let's see what it's all about. It's so unique. So it looks like a sponge, right? Use this to scrub, clean, and once this section gets really dirty, what you do is simply just remove one of the layers. Okay, there you go. Start it and just pull a layer off, and that section is dirty. Now you have a clean sponge again, or like a rug. That is such a good idea, and for some reason it's some kind of has a moisture feel to it. Boom, dirty, and now it's brand new. I love it, such a good idea. If you love saving money, this might be worth investing, because this is like a toothpaste squeezer that will get every drop out of your toothpaste. So how does this work? I see I gotta take it out. Okay, now I figured it out. Slide it right here, and then slide it right here, and all we have to do is just spin it. Let's see if it works. Oh, and I can just squeeze it right here for all of the toothpaste to go forward. Also, it will sit pretty neat inside your drawer. I know all of you have one of those dental flosses inside your car after lunch or dinner at the restaurant. You come out and floss your teeth while you're driving to take all the chicken out, whatever, food out. Get this instead. It is going to look way better and not going to make a mess in the car. So just press this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's replenish it. Simple. Okay. So get your new toothpicks, and then just drop them down this way. And it's a 5 on each side. So this is. Oh look, we can, I think, put extra ones. No, it's not. What? Okay, just like that. There's pusher, and then once we refilled it, lock it up and ready to go again. Very nice and neat, easy to use. You might want to have this into your first aid kit, wound closure device for like one of those bigger cuts. Hopefully you'll never need them, but it's nice to have. Check this out. So let's open it, and it's like 2 stitches on a band-aid. Let's try this out, just to pretend. So put it on hand, let's say this way, for example, and I want to show you how good it's going to pull the skin. You kind of want to pull it on both sides. Oh, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, because what if by myself, nobody to help me? Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. One more. Ooh, that is pretty awesome. As you can see, it's pulled my skin really tight. That's what I wanted to show you guys. You see how it's pulling really tight together? It has a wrinkle, so it holds it really nice too. Obviously, I'm not going to close my hand and open, but yeah, it holds it really good. This side here, automatic toothpick dispenser, needs batteries. Oh man, I'm out of AA batteries again, no problem. Let's use this gadget. Good. Okay, put the toothpicks in here. Okay, and then slide it over the cover. Okay, and then press and hold, and it's off. Okay, and then press and hold, green light, and it's on. Now all I have to do is put my hand over it without touching anything. It will give me a toothpick. So just wave my hand over it, it will give me a toothpick, and puts it back in case there's a mistaken motion. Super cool. It works every time. Two people, you just wave it. Oh, so satisfying. I love this thing. And I got here another subscription box, KOTM Club. This is the $100 club knife, and this time we got $200 MSRP Kershaw, and this is a Magna Cut. This is gonna be a good one. I love subscription boxes whenever we get a really good deal. This is pretty sure only $100 subscription box. Yes, it is. So, and sometimes we can get these amazing deals, and it's like a surprise. You never know what you're going to get. Again, this is MSRP. Wow, beautiful. Assisted Kershaw Magna Cut. So Magna Cut is a type of steel. Oh yeah, it's definitely assisted, like a spring assisted, I guess. This is a car gadget. This is a trash bags, pretty much for anywhere, but it's especially perfect for the car, but it could be really for anything. And it's removable bags. Check this out. So how does this work? There you go. Pull this out, and then there's a layer cover, and then you can close it and toss it out. That is so cool. Let's go test it out on a car. I have all these car seats in here, but makes sense. Fill up the trash, for example, real quick. Boom. It's full, and whenever you want to take it off, probably one hand doesn't work. That's it. That's well. There you go. There you go. It pulled off. Nice. Zip it up, make a knot on it, whatever. It's perfect to have for diapers as well. Well, actually this month is an L. This is why I always try to double check what do they go for. And we only save $1.50 right here. So it is what it is. Sometimes you get a really good deal, sometimes not so good. Look at it, $99, but that one is used, so the used ones don't count. So like $10 discount, that's it. Oh well, still really exciting, the entertainment of getting something in the mail as a surprise. But MSRP sometimes go lower and sometimes you get higher, but lately with knives it is never MSRP. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.